Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and opening network settings. Check that your Wi-Fi adapter is present or that an Ethernet port and cable are connected. A loose cable breaks the link. Once powered, bring up Network and Internet or System Preferences Network so you can act. If using Wi-Fi, scan for the correct SSID and have the password ready. If wired, expect immediate link detection. This gets you into the interface where the actual configuration begins, so move to the next steps now. Now configure the connection details so your PC talks on the network. Choose the SSID and connect with the password, or plug Ethernet and wait for link light confirmation. Make sure IP settings are appropriate. Use DHCP for most networks, or manual with the given IP4, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS if required. Check the adapter status and run a driver update if you see errors or limited access. Once the address and drivers are good, test connectivity to confirm progress before finishing. Finish by verifying access and resolving common failures. Do a quick ping to 888 and load a website to confirm DNS and routing. Note any error text you see. If there's no connection, restart modem, router, and PC, then renew the DHCP lease from network settings. Finally, check that firewall or VPN isn't blocking traffic and undo recent network changes. If all else fails, swap cables or a USB Wi-Fi adapter to isolate hardware versus configuration problems before calling support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.